I'm looking a bit... Is that better? Oh, God. I still haven't cut my hair. I was going to do it for winter solstice and get rid of my fungus. I simply haven't got round to it. I haven't got the whelm. Have you got the Christmas whelm? Bah! Humbug. Anyway, it's about 6:30 p.m. Richie's bloody Sunak. Piss off, Richie Sunak. As quick as possible. Right, that's enough politics. Oh, it's Christmas Eve at 6:30 p.m. Richie Sunak. And what a miserable Christmas Eve it has been. I haven't been out. I don't care what's happening. My coat has been bloody soaking for the last month. Oh, God. And do you know what's the worst? I was in bed here, right? Well, lying down, right? Bloody temperature's about 13, 14 degrees. Well, it was bloody warm in the night. I had to take my woolen blanket off my bed. You know, I got my winter pajamas on all 5 levels. And I thought, oh, God, this is so warm. I thought I had something coming on because it was so warm. I was, what's the word? Had a bit of a temperature, feeling as if I had a bit of a temperature. What's the word? Sweating, hot, diseased. I've forgotten the word. Oh, God, never mind. Yeah, and it's been raining all day and I haven't been out yet. But I'm going through my sherbets this afternoon, and I've got 2 left. Hot. That just gold my ass. I'll go down to the 24-hour garage. My friend should be working tonight, Kevin from Wolverhampton. Originally from Wolverhampton. Yeah. It's Christmas. Buy a packet of cancer sticks. I'll tell you what. I'll see if they got any cigars. I'll get 12 cans of cider. Well, Thatcher's Gold most probably. Thatcher's Gold. Excuse me. Gas. And I'll buy a packet of cancer sticks, king size. I think I'll buy a couple of cigars. I don't know what they got. It's Christmas. And I've hardly spent anything for Christmas, so I'll spend it on myself. Oh, I just watched a movie. Well, just now I was on Big Madge Studios. He's from Lancashire, somewhere around Manchester. I think, was it? Maybe bloody Yorkshire. South Yorkshire. West Yorkshire. I don't know. Yeah, from around there, like... politics. And before that, I was watching a movie. I watched it all. Frank Sinatra movie from the 1960s with Raquel Welch and another. And who was in it as well? Dan Blocker, the gentle giant from Bonanza. Halls. H-A-W, I think it spells the character name. H-A-W-S-E. Halls from Bonanza. Tall, bloody huge fella. Gentle giant. You know, Sinatra playing Tony Roma, the private detective. He did, I think he did quite a couple of movies with him. Yeah, multi-talented fella was Frank Sinatra, singing, of course, and connections to the Italian mobs. God. And it gets you thinking, you know, I live in Wales now. And you think, like, are there any mobs around you? You know, Ducker and Davis and Graves. Oh my God, yes, there is. No, I'm not saying anything. I'm not saying anything. I'm not saying anything at all. What, me? No, I'm not. I'm an intellectual myself. The bloody, what you call it, of man. I don't do them sort of things. The banality of man. Mob culture, my ass. I'm, what you can guess as an amateur intellectual. Yeah. I can't stand hanging around with daft people. That's and a couple of times I had to go to university, and the longest I lasted was halfway through the second year. I pissed the first year. Halfway through the second year, I thought, oh God, fuck this. And that happened twice. Oh God. What a rubbish bloody country, United Kingdom. Yeah, but I learned a lot though, like parallel processing, which came in the start of the games age in the 1990s, like NVIDIA and that sort of thing. And pixelating images and coding to make, you know, these amazing images. And you know, when you look at parallel processing, NVIDIA type stuff now, it still looks robotic. When you see an animation, it's still robotic. You know, it's not exactly human-like. Well, but the expensive software is quite like that American company. I think Steven Spielberg is involved with it. What they call now? Oh, another one I've forgotten. Something films, pixelated films though. Pixar film. I don't know. Like the best one I've seen is the one they did on Hergé's Adventures of Tintin. That was good. That was you could see his animation is far away removed from looking like real life, but it's slowly getting there, and it's all connected to AI. The same sort of parallel processing technology. Parallel processing is when the main microprocessor gives out tasks to other microprocessors, and that started with NVIDIA on graphics interface, graphics GI interface, something or others. I started in the 1990s, and it's basically what directed advertising and AI is based on, and things like that, you know. Oh my God, almost 10 minutes. Anyway, forget all that nonsense. Don't be afraid of AI. They won't have human judgment. That's the trouble. Right. Merry Christmas all.